This is Sharif for Just Nailed It, and welcome back to Mask Monday. This is the mask I'm doing here for today. It is a mermaid mask, citrus scented. I like the citruses, so I'm excited to try this one. I can't remember if I got this at the Dollar Tree or Walmart, one of the two, but it is made by, it says Be Pure, right here. But if you read the back down here, it's made by Fabergé. It's got your directions, your list of ingredients, your cautions. Make sure you clean your face first. Remove mask and then fold. Apply to the face, pressing lightly into place. Leave mask on 15-20 minutes. Remove mask, discard the mask, and dispose of it. One-time use only. So there we go. But I want to thank everybody. I want to thank Lori for reaching out to me. I greatly appreciate that, welcoming me to Mask Monday. I thank you. Oh, we got a juicy one here. It's juicy. Be very careful unfolding these because they can rip. And so here we go. Here we go. Get it off my desk. Here is our mermaid mask. It is very cooling. Be careful of your eyes. Oh, is this cold? Whew. It is a little on the cold side. And it's like, I don't know, 30 degrees here if we're lucky in Michigan today. We got a snowstorm brewing outside. I am going to put my Michael Myers mask on today. Maybe it'll hold it better in place up here around my mouth. I don't know. Oh, they rub this in. I don't know what the other ladies are doing today, but make sure you check them out. There will be a playlist pinned down in the comments. This is Michael Myers. It does make it snug. It holds it into place. And I know I look really strange, right? Well, it's okay. Because it is what it is, as Leslie would say. We're going to leave this on 15-20 minutes. And see how it is. It feels really nice. It was very cold putting it on. I want to wipe my lips off. Ooh. Oh. That defeated the purpose. Okay. Wish it was higher up on the forehead a little bit. But because of my eyes, you gotta be careful. I've had eye surgery, cataract, and glaucoma. In like the last, I don't know, 5, 6 years, 4 or 5 years, somewhere between 4 to 6. So we'll say 5 years. Ooh. We'll say it's been 5 years. So we're gonna leave that over there. Let's see, what else can we talk about? I told you I'm gonna be having some dental work done. Basically I'm getting 8 teeth pulled. So, some of my videos may be lagging in, having videos if I can't talk. So, if there are no videos being put out, then please go back and rewatch some of my old ones. Give them some views and some watch time. I'd greatly appreciate that. I don't know the duration of anything yet. I'll find out on today. I will find out later today. So I'll find out later today what the process is, what the plan's going to be, so I can like maybe film some videos ahead of time so I can talk. So enough of that. What else can we talk about? Yes, I had my cigarette. I'm sorry. Oh, it went up in my mask. Okay, that's done for. What else? I'm working on a few things. Working on some, I'm filming them early. Some rose quartz nails for She Modern Saturday. So that'll be the Saturday before today. Please go give that a view. I'd greatly appreciate it. Like, let me see. This is my practice nail. I don't know if you can see the rose quartz in it at all. But it's got a single rose, which reminds me of Beauty and the Beast. It's off a really cool stamping plate I bought at the Dollar Tree. Can you believe that they had a stamper, the scraper, and the plate? One single plate. All the plates were the same. I checked. They were all roses, which I did buy. So it was pretty cool getting a plate at the Dollar Tree. I did not buy the stamper, which I should, just to try it out to compare. I think I'm going to go back and do that. I think I will. And do a review on Dollar Tree products for the nails. That's an idea. For the budget-friendly lady. When I started my channel, I wanted it to be budget-friendly, and I wanted to do reviews on things that were, that were more budget-friendly for ladies as myself. It didn't always work that way. I ended up doing gels and acrylic and all other things, and I moved away from the lacquer, which is what I wear. I only wear lacquer. I got this beautiful color on here. This is really pretty. Really beautiful color. It's by Sally Hansen's. It's a beautiful color. Can't see the name of it. It's number 573. I don't know if you can see the name. I don't know. Thought I'd show it to you though. So that's what's on my paws. We are at 8 minutes in the video now, and I've had the mask on probably for a good 5. So it means I got 15 minutes to go. I'm going to pause. I'm going to sit here and relax and enjoy my mask. We'll be back. Okay, we are back. We are ready to unveil and take our Michael Myers mask off. Let the puppy out here to dry. And our mermaid mask. Oh, my face feels warmer now. It was cold. It was very cold when I first put that on. So, rub it in your face. The extra serum that is in the pouch or left on your face, I mean, after you take the mask off. I'll leave this one out here to air dry so I can reuse. Whew, that was our mermaid mask for today. No singing, no singing. But that was our mermaid mask for today. I really enjoyed it. Really enjoyed it. It felt really good. This has got to soak in. That's alright. I enjoyed the mask. Check them out. Dollar Tree or Walmart. One of the two, but they're made by Fabergé, so I'm going to guess Dollar Tree. I did buy a, like, could have been Walmart though too, because I did buy like 5 or 6 face masks at Walmart. Some of them are peel off, which I don't know if I want to do that on camera. Peeling that off my face, looking like a skeleton or a snake peeling or something. I don't know. I'll have to see on that one. I like the sheet masks. I think those are cool. They're more comfortable, easy to put on and take off. Fix my little pooch. Anyways, that is all for today. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.